If you're getting ready to turn 62 and you want to know if you can take Social Security, I will explain that you might be able to take Social Security. You might be eligible to take Social Security, but you probably shouldn't. It might not be a good idea. If you're getting ready to turn 62, it is your choice. If you paid into Social Security at least 10 years, which most people have, or you were married to someone that did, in case you were a stay-at-home mom, you're eligible to draw as early as 62. It's your choice. Look at our Social Security cheat sheet. It is free to download off of our website. It will give you your ages. You can draw between 62 and 70. It's your choice. And for every 2 months that you wait, you get a little bit more. So if you draw at 62, you get about a 30% reduction. But if you draw at your full retirement age, where you'd get about 100%, and if you wait past that, you get a little bit more all the way up to 70 when it stops growing. So about 30% of Americans are like, oh yeah, I want mine as soon as I can get it. I need the money. I'm struggling. I'm not healthy. I don't know how long I'm going to live. Or I don't even need the money. I just philosophically want my money and I'm going to invest it in the stock market. So people come at it from all different angles. It's your choice. You can take Social Security as early as 62. Just go online to socialsecurity.gov. You can apply right now. You can actually apply up to 3 months before you turn 62. But before you apply, you got to consider a couple things. Number one will be the earned income limit. You're going to be limited to how much you can work. You can't work full-time, hands down. Don't file Social Security early if you're working full-time. But if you want to work part-time, you can. Make sure you stay right around the earned income limit for that year. In 2023, the earned income limit is $21,240 for active work you do this year, working at your computer, sledgehammering. For active work, you can get your full Social Security and work a little bit part-time, no problem. If you go over that limit, they're going to reduce your Social Security potentially down to nothing next year. Okay, so you pass the first hurdle because you're like, I'm not going to work at all. I'm not going to work at all. I'm just taking my Social Security. The next hurdle is health insurance, because Medicare won't start until 65. If you are under 65, you're 62, 3, 4. Health insurance in this company is Obamacare. It's officially called the Affordable Care Act. Different states brand it different names, so people think there's all different options. There's not. It's Obamacare. If you're under 65, you're not on your spouse's employer health plan at work, or maybe your own health plan at work still, you're going to be on Obamacare. Yes, we can help you with that. Go to our website. You can book an appointment. We can give you a quote. Before you apply for your Social Security, make sure you know how much you're going to pay for Obamacare. It's based on how much your income is. So if your income is very low, Obamacare might be great. The government gives you a hefty subsidy. It might be almost free to very, very, very affordable. In which case, no problem retiring at 62. If your income is average, you're average middle class American, then the bad news is the average price of Obamacare for a 62-year-old, around $700 a month. You heard me. Yeah, the average person. Now, this will vary depending on what plan you choose, how high a deductible you get. Like I said, it's based on your income. But the average person in 2023, that's about 62, 3, 4, is going to pay about $700 per month, basically per person. So, what is your average Social Security payment in 2023? The average American makes about $1,650 a month. You could be below average, you could be above average. So let's say you're going to make about $1,600 a month, and your Obamacare is going to be about $700 a month. Once you did that math right there, you might decide, I cannot afford to retire at 62. And that's what I'm trying to warn you about. Because a lot of people take their Social Security, they're excited, then they call us, and we put them on Obamacare, and they realize this is not a working situation. I can't afford to do this. I got to go back to work. We can help you undo it. We can help you cancel your Social Security. You will have to pay it all back. You can cancel it once in your lifetime. You can only have been on it less than 12 months. But if you call us in that time period, we can say, yeah, call them, get a redo, pay it all back, cancel your Obamacare, go back to work, get insurance, call us in a couple years. Now, if you have health insurance through your spouse, good. If you have health insurance through yourself, or maybe you are a vet and you get it through the VA. So health insurance is not the issue. It's not a problem. Or again, you are low income, so the government's going to pay for your health insurance. Yeah, you can go ahead and get your Social Security as early as 62. Remember, Medicare will not start early. You can choose to start Social Security early. You can't choose to start Medicare early. You're like, Sylvia, I know somebody that's on Medicare and they're only 60. Those people are on Social Security disability. So that's a completely different program. For the rest of you all, you can't choose to get Medicare early. You can qualify at 65. And so that's why a lot of people just keep working all the way up to 65, even though they could get Social Security at 62, because they can't get Medicare and they can't afford Obamacare. So they just wait till 65. I hope this video helped you. If it did, share it with your friends. Almost everybody is confused about these points. There's a lot more great information available for free on our website. Go check it out. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.